For this video, we're going to use a bird's eye view of a curling stone sliding on ice. This is an example of 2D motion on a horizontal plane. Keep in mind that we're looking at the motion from above, so both axes are horizontal along the ground. Together, the x and y axes form a 2D coordinate system, which we can use to describe the position of an object at any point in 2D space. So how do we do that? First, when we talk about the position of an object, keep in mind that we're talking about the center of the object. If this curling stone only moves left and right, we can describe its position using a single number on the x-axis. At this position, x equals 1 meter, and at this position, x equals 5 meters. If the stone only moves up and down, we can do the same thing using a single number on the y-axis. At this position, y equals 1 meter, and at this position, y equals 4 meters. But when the stone moves in 2 dimensions, we need to include the x position and the y position. When the stone is here, x equals 1 meter and y equals 1 meter. And at this position, x equals 5 meters and y equals 4 meters. Instead of writing out x equals and y equals, we can use coordinates. Coordinates are a set of numbers in parentheses separated by a comma. For a 2D coordinate system, the first number is the x position and the second number is the y position. So when the stone is here, its coordinates would be 5, 4. Most of the time, the coordinates won't include the unit. Just know that the unit for a set of coordinates would be the same as the unit for position. Let's see a few more examples. The coordinates for this position would be 2, 3. And here, they would be 4, 1. We've been looking at the positive x and y axes, but coordinates can also have negative values. Once we establish the origin, which is where x and y equals 0, then an object can have positive or negative positions. Here, the coordinates would be 3, 2. And here, they would be negative 4, 3, because the x position is negative 4 and the y position is positive 3. Here, the coordinates would be negative 3, negative 2. And here, they would be 2, negative 1. So that's how we describe the position of an object in 2 dimensions. It has an x position and a y position at every moment in time.